It's also raining, so we got off. I mean, harder. Quick look, guys. Hello everyone. Here we go again from the same hill because I liked it so much. So this has been our third day in Switzerland. It's been great so far, but I was so tired I haven't even gone out. But today I finally made it up and yeah, I feel good. The tiredness is gone. I'm totally down for some sightseeing. That's why I'm climbing this mountain again, to see Stäfa from above again. So we will check this landscape out together again. Let's go a bit and see what's happening on this side, because I was actually gonna go back and check the Stäfa side out, but this side also looks nice. Okay, we can go back from here. This is gonna record nice, I think. Let's see, what are we gonna see from above? Woohoo, that's gonna be a nice view. I can't wait to see it. I know this motorbike is goddamn ridiculous right now if you see it from outside. But yeah, I think it kinda has to look like a bit ridiculous. Okay. I hope I don't fall from the bike while I'm staring to the landscape. Because last time it was almost gonna happen. It smells like cow shit, but that's fine. Actually, it's nice with this view. Damn! Check this out. This was the view I was talking about. Yes, I was almost falling from here and I was doing the same thing again almost. Can't take my eyes from the view, what can I do? Yeah, it's nice. I don't get strange looks. Okay, this time let's get down to the water side. I'm completely improvising. I don't know where am I going, but let's follow Zurich. I hope the traffic lights, hopefully, yes, they recognize us. Because in the Netherlands, it's if it's an electronic one, you sometimes get into these issues that the traffic cameras, the traffic lights cannot recognize the motorbikes, or do not. I don't know what's the reason. It's been actually not even a couple of minutes, but I found this spot. Looks great. So this is the waterfront that I was talking about, guys. I'm not gonna watch the view. I don't wanna fall. It happened 2 times. I thought I wanna watch it. Okay, I'm not gonna watch it. I'm gonna watch it later from the of course. Let's record that too. Is this a safe route? No, it's not. Oh, this is even looking better than the other curve. I mean, harder in a way. Every corner of this part of the city is like Because another landscape all the time, and every one of them is just so beautiful. Look at that. Is 80 here. Why does it show 80? I don't think the speed limit is 80 here. Look at that. Can it be 80? Would have been dead with 80. Boom, gone. The bus. Yeah. Our video is a bit destroyed with this traffic, but that's fine. It's also nice to just stop and see this view. Look at that. Ah, yeah. The smell of this place is also amazing. It's just different kinds of flowers and stuff. Sometimes cough shit as well, but even that also smells good here. Place like that. Alright guys, I think this was it from this trip as well. I'll take you down.